Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome back to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today I'm gonna talk about this Merino Raised Garden Bed, which we have imported directly from Bunnings Warehouse, Australia. For your information, Bunnings is the leading retailer of home and lifestyle products for consumer and commercial customers in Australia and New Zealand. By the way, Merino Raised Garden Bed is also one of our top-selling model among many other selections, with more than 100 units sold last year. Come, let's go for unboxing. This is a quality Australian-made garden bed that's quick and easy to assemble. Featuring safety edges and strong steel, this garden bed is definitely perfect for planting herbs, vegetables, or flowers. This is the assembly instructions. Very easy and straightforward. Oh yeah, don't forget to check the part number and quantity. This is the M6 ball and nuts. For installation, you need to prepare a Phillips screwdriver. Come, let's begin. Hello everyone, hello Joe Yang. Happy Sunday to all of you and welcome to my home. This is the completed Merino Raised Garden Bed with a measurement of 120 cm by 90 cm with a height of 30 cm. Guess what? The weight is just 6.5 kg. For the installation process, I think it's easy. Whether the seal plate is upside down, left and right, as long as you are able to connect all the holes together, you should be able to form a rectangular shaped raised garden bed. And if you are worried about the sharp edges and corners, guess what? You don't have to, because all the seal plates are folded for safety and protection. Surprisingly, after the installation, I'm still left with so many bolts and nuts. If you have encountered the same, please leave a comment below. In summary, I find that this Merino Raised Garden Bed Simple design, easy to install, and definitely affordable pricing. No wonder it is one of my top selling models among my collections of raised garden beds. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.